Top 10 liver cleansing foods. The liver, weighing in about 3 pounds in healthy adults, is one of the body's vital organs. It is responsible for many important functions related to digestion, metabolism, immunity, and the storage of nutrients that the body needs to survive. Moreover, the liver is a gland that secretes chemicals required by other parts of body. In fact, the liver is the only part of your body that is both an organ and a gland. A healthy liver regulates the composition of blood, removes harmful toxins from the blood, as well as processes and converts nutrient absorbed by the intestines during digestion into the form that the body can use. It also stores some vitamins, iron, and simple sugar glucose. It is also responsible for breaking down insulin, hemoglobin, and other hormones. In addition, it destroys old red blood cells and produces chemicals needed for the blood to clot properly. Because the liver performs so many vital functions, it is important to keep it healthy. An unhealthy diet and poor lifestyle can overwork and overload the liver, leaving it unable to process toxin and fat efficiently. Here are the top 10 liver cleansing foods. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic is great for cleansing your liver. It helps activate enzymes in the liver that helps clear out toxins. It also contains 2 natural compounds called allicin and selenium, which aid in liver cleansing process and protect the liver from toxic damage. Moreover, garlic reduces cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which can overload the liver and hamper its functioning. To promote liver health, use fresh raw garlic instead of processed, minced, or powdered. Eat 2 to 3 raw garlic cloves daily and include garlic in your cooking whenever possible. You can also take garlic supplements, but only after consulting your doctor. Number 2. Grapefruit. Being a good source of vitamin C, pectin, and antioxidants, grapefruit also aids the natural cleansing process of the liver. It also contains glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals and detoxifies the liver. Glutathione also helps in the detoxification of heavy metals. Moreover, the flavonoid naringenin in grapefruit helps break down fat. Drink a small glass of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice or enjoy the whole fruit with your breakfast daily. If you are on medications, consult your doctor before taking this fruit as it may interact with your certain drugs. Number 3. Beetroots. Beetroots are another powerful food for cleansing and supporting liver function. High in plant flavonoids and beta-carotene, they help stimulate and improve overall liver function. Moreover, beetroots are natural blood purifiers. Simply add fresh beetroots or juice to your daily diet. Make a powerful liver cleansing salad with 1 cup of chopped or grated beetroots, 2 tablespoons of cold pressed extra virgin olive oil, and the juice of half lemon. Mix all the ingredients together and eat 2 tablespoons of it every 2 hours during the day for a week. Number 4. Lemons. Lemons help detoxify the liver mainly due to the antioxidant D-limonene present in it, which helps activate enzymes in the liver that aid detoxification. Moreover, the high amount of vitamin C in lemon helps your liver produce more enzymes to aid digestion. Lemons also boost mineral absorption by the liver. Make lemon water at home by adding the juice of 1 lemon to a jar of water. You can even add chopped lemons to it. Drink this water at regular intervals. If desired, add a little honey. Number 5. Green tea. By drinking green tea daily, you can help your body flush out toxins and fat deposits while increasing hydration levels. A 2002 study published in the International Journal of Obesity found that the catechins in the tea help stimulate lipid catabolism in the liver. This in turn prevents fat accumulation in the liver. This healthy beverage also protects the liver from damaging effects of the toxic substances like alcohol. Green tea is also beneficial in treating or preventing liver disease. According to a 2009 study published in Cancer Causes and Control, people who drink green tea have a lower risk of developing liver cancer. Drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily. If desired, sweeten your tea with honey. Note: avoid green tea in excess as it can have an adverse impact on your liver and other body parts. Number 6. Avocados. Avocados contain potent chemicals that may reduce liver damage, according to a 2000 study by the American Chemical Society. This fruit is rich in glutathione, a compound required by the liver to cleanse harmful toxins and to function properly. The high amount of monounsaturated fat in avocados help reduce low-density lipoproteins or bad cholesterol and increase high-density lipoproteins or good cholesterol. The liver easily processes good cholesterol. Moreover, avocados contain many minerals, vitamins, and plant nutrients that support overall liver health and help break down fats. Eat 1 to 2 avocados per week for a couple of months to help reverse liver damage. Number 7. Turmeric. Turmeric is another popular and effective liver cleansing food. It also improves the body ability to digest fat. The compound curcumin in turmeric induces the formation of a primary liver detoxification enzyme called glutathione transferase. It also helps regenerate damaged liver cells. Mix half teaspoons of turmeric powder in a glass of water and boil it. Drink it twice daily for a couple of weeks. Also include the spice in your daily cooking. Number 8. Apples. An apple a day is a secret behind a healthy liver. Apples are a good source of pectin, a soluble fiber that help remove toxins from the digestive tract and cholesterol from the blood, in turn preventing the liver from being overworked. Number 9. Walnuts. The high amount of amino acids in walnuts aid the liver in detoxifying ammonia. Moreover, walnuts contain glutathione and omega-3 fatty acids, which aid the natural liver cleansing process. Number 10. Broccoli. Support the natural liver cleansing process by including broccoli in your diet. Being rich in glucosinolates, it helps flush carcinogens and other harmful toxins out of your body. The high fiber content in broccoli also improves the digestion process. Moreover, it contains fat-soluble vitamin E, an important antioxidant for the liver to carry out its functions. Eat 1 cup of broccoli 3 times a week to keep your liver healthy. Thanks for watching our video. If you want more videos about health and fitness, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for getting latest updates.